Good evening, viewers. I'm Noel James. Welcome to the news. In the headlines today, Meghalaya Speaker Dr. Donkupar Roy terms defeat of UDP leader Jaminio Mautho in Lok Sabha elections in state as a historical legacy, says party will not break ties with NEDA despite defeat. Newly elected MLA from Salsala, Ferlin CA Sangma, sworn in as Member of Assembly, prioritizes education and road connectivity besides overall development. BJP leader Pema Khandu sworn in as Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister for second term. Chief Ministers of 5 northeastern states attend swearing-in ceremony. And in a first farmers' mart, a platform for marginal farmers to sell products directly to customers inaugurated at DC office premises in Shillong. The news in detail. An ally of the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance and President of the United Democratic Party or UDP, Dr. Donkupar Roy, on Wednesday said that the defeat of the regional parties in Lok Sabha elections in the state is a historical legacy. Talking to newsmen on the defeat of UDP leader and MDA candidate Dr. Jaminio Mautho from the Shillong Lok Sabha seat, Dr. Roy said that since 1989, the regional parties have never won the MP elections, owing to the fact that majority of the public feels that voting for a regional party candidate is futile, as he or she will not have any support base in the centre, and that the national party candidate will be able to deliver effectively with the support base they have at the centre. He further said that the propaganda of the Congress in projecting UDP as an ally of the BJP also spoiled the prospects. He also made it clear that the UDP will not break its ties with the BJP even after their closeness with the BJP had cost them votes to a certain extent.
Since 1989, the regional party never wins the MP election, this election. The debate is whether we elect a candidate of the regional party or national party. People say we elect the national party candidate, because if the MP is elected from the national party, we'll be having a friends, a group of MPs in parliament. And we cannot deny also one factor of this lot of what you call propaganda and fear among the people against the BJP. So this is also a major factor in this last election.
Newly elected MLA from Salsala constituency, Ferlin CA Sangma of the NPP was sworn in on Wednesday as the member of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. The oath was administered by the Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Dr. Donkupar Roy, at his office chamber. Soon after the swearing-in ceremony, Sangma said that her area of priority will be development in various spheres, with special emphasis on education and road connectivity. A Meghalaya civil service officer turned politician, Sangma said that she is comfortable and was mentally prepared to serve the people in the capacity of a politician. In the recently concluded Salsala by-poll, which was necessitated after the demise of Congress MLA Clement Marak, Ferlin CA Sangma defeated her nearest rival June Eliana Marak of the Congress by a margin of 4,396 votes. The NPP has further added to its tally in the 60-member state assembly, increasing it to 21.
Salsala. So it's a very tough challenge for me now to start everything. So I'm ready to take up the challenge, and I will definitely look into it. And within these 4 years, I'm hoping I can do something for my people.
Senior BJP leader Pema Khandu took oath as the Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh on Wednesday. Khandu was administered the oath of office and secrecy by Governor Brigadier Retired B.D. Mishra at the Dorji Khandu Convention Centre. 11 cabinet ministers, including Chauna Mein, were also administered the oath. Chief Ministers of Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura and Meghalaya attended the function. The BJP led by Khandu won 41 seats in the 60-member assembly in the elections held, simultaneously with the Lok Sabha elections on April 11th in the northeastern state bordering China. It is said that the farmers are the backbone of an economy of any country, but in reality we can see that farmers are the most neglected community. A farmers' mart or an outlet was today inaugurated at the premises of the DC's office, East Khasi Hills, Shillong, by P. Sampath Kumar, Commissioner and Secretary, CNRD Department, Government of Meghalaya. This is a first of its kind initiative in the state. The outlet will be open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., 5 days in a week, where registered farmers can sell their products. Speaking on the occasion as the chief guest, P. Sampath Kumar said that such an initiative is a welcoming gesture on the part of the DC. Talking to media persons, the DC of East Khasi Hills, Abhishek Bhagotia, said that this is a platform for those marginal farmers who are not being able to sell their products, where middlemen take away all the benefits. He also added that the farmers have suggested opening similar marts in different government offices.
Mart. I think through this particular farmers mart, I think we should be able to sell things. I think this would grow, though I think it started in a small way, but it would grow, and this kind of a farmers marts would come in a big way.
The District Horticulture Office, West Jaintia Hills District, Jowai, today organized an exhibition cum honeybee festival at the Jrisalain Playground, Chutwakhu, Jowai. The exhibition was formally inaugurated by local MDC Auhai Andrew Shulai in the presence of ADC Srimati R.S. Manor. The main objective of the exhibition is to promote bee harvesting in the district. The various crops like ginger, turmeric, fruits, flowers and various publications of the department were exhibited at the festival. Shulai also inspected different stalls. Addressing the gathering, Andrew Shulai said farmers should try and grab the knowledge on the new method of cultivation with technological aid. He also expressed that farmers should learn more about the technicality on bee harvesting, as it is the main source of income for the farmers of the region. The Clean Drinking Water project of the Rotary Club of Shillong was inaugurated today by the Governor of Meghalaya, Tathagata Roy, at Khasi Jaintia Presbyterian Girls Higher Secondary School, Shillong. To mark the occasion, the Governor planted a tree at the premises of the school. Local MLA of Maukhar, Adalbert Nongrum, was also present besides members from the Rotary Club of Shillong, school authorities and students. The project is sponsored by Delhi Mistan Bhandar and Hotel Pegasus Crown. The objective of this project is to provide clean drinking water to students of the school. Speaking on the occasion, the Governor stressed on the importance of drinking clean and hygienic water besides the need to stay healthy.
You must, all you girls, you must drink good water and you must drink a lot of water. I have been told by doctors that girls, women in our country, they suffer from a lot of problems, particularly urinary tract problems, because they don't drink enough water. You must always drink enough water. And good water, you must make sure that the water does not contain pathogenous bacteria, and that is of course the job of the municipality to do it.
Now the weather report. The maximum temperature was recorded to be 25.1 degrees Celsius, while the minimum stood at 16 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 75% and rose to 89% in the evening. Rainfall received by the region was 14.2 millimeters. The forecast: Shillong and its adjoining areas will have generally cloudy skies. Before we conclude, here are the headlines once again. Meghalaya Speaker Dr. Donkupar Roy terms defeat of UDP leader Jamino Mautho in Lok Sabha elections in state as a historical legacy, says party will not break its ties with NEDA despite defeat. Newly elected MLA from Selsala, Ferlin C.A. Sangma, sworn in as Member of Assembly, prioritizes education and road connectivity besides overall development. BJP leader Pema Khandu sworn in as Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister for second term. Chief Ministers of five northeastern states attend swearing-in ceremony. And in a first Farmers Mart, a platform for marginal farmers to sell products directly to customers inaugurated at DC office premises in Shillong. With that, we have come to the end of today's broadcast. Do join us again tomorrow at the same time. From all of us here at the studio, good night.